Hi guys, and welcome back. Today is Journal Friday, and you can see that I'm setting my page up for today. It is not today's page. I did it on Wednesday of this week. And I have to tell you, it is getting really difficult to create my pages in this journal now. As you can see, it's totally expanded to bits. I keep it together with a hairband, an elastic hairband, but the pages themselves do not lay flat. It's okay doing the right side of the page, but when you want to do the left side of the page, it is dreadful. You can see I'm fighting to keep everything flat and to stop everything flopping onto the next page. And when I come to photographing my completed page, you'll see at the end with my photos that I've had to photograph them lopsided because it won't lay flat for me to photograph. So I hope you enjoy watching my struggles with this journal. I'm having a lot of fun creating these pages. And you can see I'm putting in a kind of piece of cardboard. It was from yogurts that I have. And the supermarket, I think due to COVID-19, are having problems getting stocks in, and so they're not taking old things off the shelf. And when you're shopping in a hurry because you want to get out of it anywhere where there's people, you're not really looking at dates. And so I'm afraid these were a pack of 12 and you had to eat them on that very day. Well, that was not possible, and so I put that in as a memento of that situation. So I'm going to say thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate your support, and we're growing. So here we go. Here are my photos, and there, we're getting lopsided. I even had to take that down because I couldn't photograph that one from the mini sketchbook. It kept flopping so that it was blocking me doing anything. Take care, guys. Catch you next time. Bye.